So, up in the wilderness and having a nice campfire on this windy December day, December 29th, and it's cloudy, it's windy, mild, bits of fog around. So I thought it would be nice to have a little fire up here where it's damp, wet, and showery, no chance of any fire, and just have a great time. So I've also got some food under my stove there. I just need tipping over. You can see there I've got Heinz food. I'm just going to grab this before it falls over. It seems to be tipping over a little bit. Let's go right. Oh, here it's gone, but that's alright. It's only a little bit. There we go. So that's my big mug of soup, which should hopefully be cooked in a minute. Yeah. So it's really nice up here, and just having a great time really. There we go. Big chicken and vegetable soup. Really nice. Oh, yeah, it's really, really lovely up here. Really lovely. Can't beat the wilderness. A nice warm fire.